Day was horrible. I was coming back from grocery shopping when I noticed my truck with a flat tire, and upon looking at it, there was a gigantic bowhead sticking out from the edge. Luckily, in my toolbox, I have tire patches and a Denvix air inflator to patch the hole and get back home before my groceries expire. Patching a flat tire is really easy. After pulling out the bolt with a set of pliers, the rugged tool is used to file down the hole in the same direction, ensuring not to make the hole any bigger. And with the other tool, the rubber strip is inserted in between the groove and poked through carefully deep enough so there's excess sticking out from the tire. Now with the tire fully patched, it's time to take out your trend-setting Denvix air inflator. And this thing is awesome. It's 45 watts fast charging, so there's no need to plug it anywhere to use it. It has a touchscreen display and 4 ultra bright light settings for emergencies. But the best part about it is that it has a 2 times faster inflation time. Not only is it fast charging with a 15,000 milliamp hour battery, but it also shows how much PSI the tire currently has, touch dials to increase or decrease the tire pressure, and a USB port to charge whatever you need. It also comes with a storage bag, making it a must-have tool to carry in your car or truck at all times. Even though the market is flooded with misrepresented tire inflators claiming false claims, Denvix continues to prove authenticity, and today they came in clutch, saving me time and putting me back on the road all in less than 10 minutes.